CIRCE2020 stands for the circular economy concept in Central Europe's local productive districts. The transition towards circular economy is one of the main priorities of the EU environmental strategy, recently addressed by the Green Deal. The issue of the circular economy is particularly relevant in highly industrialized and manufacturing areas, like Central Europe, due to the outstanding use of primary natural resources in various production stages: processing, packaging, and transportation. Recycling rates are still far from directive targets, and one main reason for this is that the reuse of byproducts is often performed only by companies' independent initiatives. The CIRCE2020 project aims to facilitate a larger uptake of integrated environmental management approach in 5 specific Central European industrial areas by shifting from linear economy to circular economy, using innovative instruments derived from the material flow analysis, life cycle costing, and life cycle analysis. It is supported by the EU through the Interreg Central Europe program, the financial instrument encouraging cooperation beyond borders and the territorial cohesion. 5 countries, 8 project partners. Project duration, start date 2017, end date 2020. CIRCE2020 budget, €2.3 million total budget, €1.9 million ERDF funding. One of the targets of CIRCE2020 is the realization of a set of pilot actions based on the results of local surveys to identify the unevaluated waste streams using innovative instruments. Each pilot was chosen after the use of analytics to find the optimal technological, environmental, and cost-effective options. The first step was the macro-scale analysis of the physical flows, what can be reused and where. After the most promising byproducts were identified, the consultation of key stakeholders and the establishment of a permanent forum in each pilot site started. Project operative key performance indicators and realistic targets to evaluate the pilot were set. The core of the CIRCE2020 business plan and one of the main outputs of the project was the creation of a matrix of joint methodology that allows the users to assess the circularity of the solution and decides whether to adopt it or not, considering 3 most relevant drivers for a circular business: technological readiness, investment payback time, reduction of the environmental footprint. In each area, the business plan was tested with the pilot actions that are landfill leachate, biogas exploitation, and PVC selection from plastic waste in Italy, production of multi-material board from multipolymer waste, and production of multi-material and multifunctional panels from multipolymer waste in Poland. Waste wood for the production of biochar and energy recovery from the low calorific fraction of a mechanical waste treatment plant in Austria. Valorizing olive meal pomace from olive oil processing plant and valorizing fish processing residues in a biorefinery pilot concept in Croatia. Make granulate from waste tire residues and composite plastic waste into a valuable product in Hungary. For more details about CIRCE2020 pilots, please check the wiki webpage and the project website, where you can find many tutorials, as well as the eCloud, where the best available techniques, market-ready cleanup techniques, and organizational practices are grouped. Since the availability of successful case studies is crucial to raise up circular economy in political and business agendas, another pillar of CIRCE2020 is the sharp replication strategy for the expansion of the circular economy business model to further practitioners. To share mutual information, business acceleration workshops and numerous nudging actions were organized in each country to convince groups of promising companies to deepen their industrial symbiosis potential. Vouchering activities to encourage the uptake of circular economy models were performed in each region, training 5 waste utilities in the use of the CIRCE2020 analytics. Several options at local, macro-regional, and EU scale, like the regional action plans, can potentially expand the secondary raw material market, and a joint proposal to extend the industrial symbiosis concept at transboundary scale. Make it circular.